Hello South Africa. Outgoing Minister Mbalula leaves the driving license system in chaos. Outgoing Transport Minister Mbalula is taking up the ANC's Secretary General role, and he will be replaced in the ministerial position by Sindisiwe Chikanga. However, Mbalula has left the driving license system in chaos. President Cyril Ramaphosa announced a slew of changes to his cabinet on Monday, March 6, 2023. Sindisiwe Chikanga replaces Mbalula as Transport Minister. According to Organization Undoing Tax Abuse, OUTA, Fikal appears to have done little to resolve the chaos in his portfolio. Here are the problems OUTA wants to resolve: 1. The extension of the validity of the license cards. 2. The procurement and use of a new card production machine to replace the one that breaks down. And 3. A clear plan for the widespread corruption and waste in the Driving License Testing Center, DLTC, system and transport entities. At the end of the day, the buck stops with the Minister of Transport, stated Andrea van Heerden, OUTA Senior Legal Project Manager. Van Heerden said OUTA once again calls on the minister to publish regulations extending the validity period of the driving license cards. OUTA wants the validity period to be extended from the current 5 years to 10 years. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.